Talk Show with Dr. Seena Devar, founder ACE Academy. Today we have an adorable girl with us on our show. Her name is Sanjana Ganesh Murthy. Sanjana, good evening and welcome to the Teen Talk Show.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are you happy to be on our show, Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am. Really happy.
Yes, you look happy too, but don't be nervous, okay? So,
Okay.
Sanjana, can you introduce yourself to our viewers, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please do.
I would start like a I would like to start with a motivational quote. A bird sitting on a branch is never bothering about the breaking branch, but on her wings. Hi all, I am Sanjana Ganeshmurthy, studying 8th in the higher school. I am a 13-year-old teen. To say about me, I have my interests in walking, gardening more. Walking in the sense, setting up a distance, walking with the persons I know, and interacting with them, which helps me to be a good person. I mean, like a good person while talking with them. Then I do dance. Dance is my passion. And
Okay,
ma'am, to know that I've been dancing since I was 3.
okay. What dance? What kind of dance?
Ma'am, mostly Bharatanatyam and hip hop. Then
Oh,
I'm learning many now too.
okay, okay, fine.
Then not just dance, music also has played an important role. I will sing in school programs and some other programs if they invite me.
Okay, so you're talented. You are an all-rounder girl, good in dancing, good in singing and sporting. Very good. What
Yes.
else?
Then my hobbies are in sketching. I do actually draw things whatever I see. That just bring back the memory to me. I collect small things. It's just for excitement.
Okay, small things means what kind of small things do you collect?
Like toys, and I like biology, so I like to experiment more on that. So like
Okay,
seeds which does not have any effect on bacteria, like
yeah.
that, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Then I do try real life experiments also. Like if there's a sad person, even if it is stranger, I'll show love and care to them to see what's their output.
Oh,
It
how
will be so
sweet.
nice, ma'am.
You
Yes,
look also, you look very sweet, a very graceful and a kind Sanjana, right?
yes, ma'am.
So sweet. Yes. Then Sanjana, what else?
Then when it comes to academics, I always do things I want to achieve more. I I do learn all the portions at a time. I
Oh,
fix a timetable and plan everything and learn, which makes me a successful student.
okay, good. You complete your study every day. Day to day, you complete your studies. You don't push it to the next day. Is
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Oh, so
That's the
I,
secret behind the students'
okay,
success.
okay. And are your parents so happy and proud of you?
Yes, ma'am, I do. Even
Yes?
if there is no one supporting for me, I will be my helping hand.
Oh, how nice. But I am sure your parents are very, very supportive. Your parents, no?
Yes, ma'am. Like
Yeah,
they
that's
arranged many things for this show also, and it's my first live show. I'm just happy.
so sweet of you, Sanjana. I just want the viewers to know that Sanjana lives in a hilly region. That's Munnar, and there's no proper network connectivity. So last time the weather was very bad. Actually, her session was last week, but so weather was so bad, and even the network connectivity was very poor. So even she was very much disappointed. Her family tried their level best to get the connectivity, but they couldn't. And today we postponed the show to today. Like, we had scheduled it for today, and even today there were some kind of hitches, and her parents all the way they took her to another neighborhood house, and now she's on the show from a neighbor's house. This itself speaks about how enthusiastic the parents are. How enthusiastic and cooperative the parents are, her family is. So hats off to your parents for being so patient and supporting you.
Yes, ma'am.
And even you should support your parents in all aspects.
Yes, ma'am.
You-
Surely I'll.
Yes. Is there anything else you want to speak to?
Yes,
You want
ma'am.
to speak
Yes, ma'am.
about you? It's you want to speak more about you, or you have something in mind that you wish to share with our viewers?
I'll introduce me and finish, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now the questionnaire round. Are you ready for it? Critical
Yes, ma'am.
thinking.
Ready.
Yeah, yeah. You seem very energetic. Like Sina ma'am. You are like Sina ma'am, always ready. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, suppose imagine that God had to give you one superpower. Okay, and you ask for that superpower and God will give it to you. What will you ask him for? What superpower you wish to have? And with that superpower, how will you change this world? You can think and answer.
Yes, ma'am. It will
Hmm.
be that I want to. I always want to fulfill others' wishes.
Okay.
It's the most ever thing a person can do. I would
Fulfill
ask for.
other wishes. What other wishes? Others will wish for so many things. So what other wishes will you fulfill? Just one superpower. So what should be that?
I don't actually want to wish for myself. I want to wish for others. I want
Yes.
others to be happy. That's the thing,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah, superpower means you'll have a wand in your hand, and anyone asks for happiness, Sanjana will give it to them.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sanjana.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's not for you, it's for others. That's a very good intention on your part, Sanjana. That's so beautiful. And more than money, more than anything else, what we need is happiness in life. Everybody wants happiness. And this world, everyone should be happy. At the end, our intention, Sanjana's intention is everyone should be happy in life. Live a happy life. Very good. Sanjana, what according to you is a happy day?
Happy
from
day.
from morning till night, what according to you, like you sleep at the end of the day saying, wow, what a happy day it was. So what's an happy day for you?
Yes, ma'am. I'll think about it just a second.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It will. It everyone would want that only. Just be with the person they know. It doesn't mind where they are. It doesn't mind at what time they are. Just with the persons they like.
For you, what is a happy day for you?
Ma'am, like an example,
Yeah. Now what is a happy day for Sanjana?
being with the persons I like,
Okay, okay,
interacting
one.
with them. That's
Okay,
it.
today one full day you like, what will you do? A happy day, full day should be a happy day. So what are the things you'll do to make your day happy?
Uh, I would want some things. I would want to be at a place where I can see full place of happiness. That makes me happy. Then, from day to night, it should be like a entertainment show.
Okay. Full day entertainment show. Okay.
Yes,
Then what would you like to eat? What will you like to eat on a happy day? What do you prefer eating on a happy day?
happy day. I I want my mom to cook, and I want to be in dinner table with all my all my memories. I have some people, and I want to be with them, and I want to eat with them.
Okay, how nice. What will you tell your mom to prepare? What does your mom prepare the best?
It's chicken curry, ma'am.
Chicken curry. Okay, very good. Do you cook? You like cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever tried anything?
Yes, ma'am. My mom have taught me many things for cooking.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. What do you cook the best?
I cook biryani.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. And I think you are interested in sports also. Which sport do you play?
Ma'am, table tennis.
Table tennis. Okay, okay. I remember that you had told me. Okay, Sanjana, you have a lot of friends, is it? Do you have
Yes,
a lot
ma'am.
of friends? Okay. Even your friend is worried or tensed. You see that among your best friend is little bit worried and she's tensed about something. Okay. You notice that. When you notice that, how do you approach her and how will you try to help her out? How will you
First,
help your friend?
first thing is go and talk to her.
Okay.
My age means it might be a teen for sure, and being a teen is the toughest part of life. So the teen will think there is no person to talk for them and care with them. So I would first go and talk to her. Then the related issue, whoever the person is, I'll try to handle by myself. Then to an adult.
Okay, good.
Yes,
Okay. So first you will sit and talk to them. You listen to what she has to say.
yes,
Right. Oh, yes. You were saying teenage is little bit tough. Why do you think teenage is tough, Sanjana?
because that is the time we have more thoughts in our minds. They will be thinking and having an intention that their adults never allowed to do the things they do,
They
and they
want to
can't
do.
choose by themselves.
Okay, okay, okay. They all teenagers always feel that they are being pressurized by their elders. So they
Yes,
have that stress, little bit of stress they have. Okay, Sanjana, you are very sweet and answering very well. Good going, Sanjana.
thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
Sanjana, yeah, thank you. And Sanjana, which is your favorite movie?
Movie.
Yeah.
Um, it would be. Just a second.
Yes. You watch Tamil movies or Malayalam? Which movies you watch or English?
Mostly Malayalam and English.
Okay, Malayalam, which movie you like the best?
Malayalam, I've seen
Who
some
is
2 3
your
movies only, but just now I've started seeing movies.
okay? Which movie? Who?
Ma'am,
Whose movie you watch?
I'm not sure about the actors, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So any name you know of any movie or you have not watched at all?
I'm not a movistic person, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay. During your free time, what do you do? What do you do during your free time?
I'll not be at house. I'll just get out of the house, try helping persons, or doing gardening or cycling or being physically fit. That would be a challenge for me because I'm a little bit fat and people used to bully. So I had been victim. So I would like to go out and do things, ma'am.
Okay, when you talk about bullying, this happens usually in schools and with teenagers. It happens. Now, suppose you are a group of girls, like girls and boys. You are sitting, and there's a newcomer or there's someone else, and if this entire group is bullying that one child, okay, so what will be your role in that? You are in the group, and there is another girl who is being bullied. So, how will you handle that, and what will be your role in that?
Of course, there be a teacher in the class. Ma'am, is it a class?
No, no, outside in a group, you are sitting, all your girls and boys, you are a group of children sitting there. And there is another girl, and you all are bullying that girl. So, what will you do in the group? Will you support your group, or what will you do?
No, ma'am, I wouldn't support. If it is a level that they also will agree that they are like that, then it's nothing, ma'am. Then if it is out of our control, then we can't. Uh, the person will be having more irritation. Might be already more irritation in mind, and might be think whatever. So I would say them to stop. If not, I will go at her side and fight with her.
Hmm.
I will try.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I'll be with her.
With her, yes, absolutely. Whenever you are in a group, suppose you have formed a group and all entire group is teasing or bullying a particular girl or a boy. If you are in the group, a part of the group, then you should see that you stop it immediately. Ask your friends to stop it and say it is not okay to do it or to hurt someone. Okay, so as teenager you should remember this always and be supportive to maybe towards your juniors or to other girls and boys. Always say no to bullying. Little bit here and there for fun is fine, but it shouldn't exceed certain limitations. Okay. Sanjana, which is your favorite subject at school, Sanjana?
And science and maths.
Oh, okay. How do you like score in science and maths? What's your aspiration in life?
I want to become a cardiologist, ma'am,
Okay.
and to own a business as a side business. Whatever it
Pardon
is.
me?
A side
Repeat.
business.
Side business.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What business you want to do? You want to be into profession also, into business also. Okay. What business you are planning to start up?
Ma'am, I have to just think more on it because
Yeah.
I think I have to interact with my parents and think a lot on it.
Why you got this thought of being a businesswoman at this age?
Yes,
What's so
ma'am.
fancy? What's so beautiful about being a businesswoman?
It's like wearing a mask of self confidence on us. If there is a loss or a
Oh,
profit, we can do it. Yes, we'll be having an idea with
okay.
us.
Okay, okay, fine. You feel that if you're having, I understood you, your point of view, I got it. You fit. Are you there, Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am, I'm
Are you
here.
there?
Yes, ma'am.
You're able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
You are able. Okay, okay. Are you there? So
Yes,
when you
ma'am.
say businesswoman or an entrepreneur, it means that you are confident and you are self-dependent. Am I right?
Yes,
That's why
ma'am.
you want to become a businesswoman. Very
Yes,
good. I really wish you all the best, Sanjana. And one day I hope to see you as a cardiologist as well as a businesswoman. Okay. So you are a multitasking. I wish to see you as a multitasking Sanjana. Okay.
okay.
Do you feel you are a responsible girl, Sanjana? Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
a responsible teenager? Yeah. So
Yes,
as responsible teenagers, what is our role towards our country? Towards our country, what is our duty towards our country as a teenager? How can we support our country?
yes, ma'am. First thing is by avoiding teen suicide. By
Okay, okay, fine. In okay,
then it would be that being responsible for ourselves than being responsible for others.
okay, good, fine. Then what else can we do as teenagers? How can we support our country?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Yeah. You are a small girl, okay? You are just 8th standard Sanjana. 8th standard Sanjana, how can you be? You can't do big things. But what are the small things that you can do? Show your patriotism towards your country, or how can you help support your country in a small way?
Small way. Yes, ma'am. It's like we can create a group by our teenagers totally and drugs and more things. If it would be easy if all are together and we protest against those. And if we see if some persons are using cigarettes, we can say them to stop. If not, we can then throwing garbages. Now it's all over the country, but still now also it's not there in many parts. That one, if a teen thinks, they can change the world.
Very good. Good. Your points are first. Your point was that I'm just trying to rebuild what you said. First thing is environment. Save the environment. Don't throw garbage around here and there. You also spoke right. Are you there, Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay. Who is your best friend?
Best friend is my father. Ma'am,
Oh, so sweet. Okay. Why is he? Yeah, okay, why is he your best friend?
He's
Why
been
is he
with
your
me.
best friend?
He's been with me at my tough times and at my happy times. Then he's he actually uh,
Okay.
a teen child will actually want the support, and my father has been a support for me since I was small. And my father has some health issues, but I would like doctors to overcome it. So yes, that's it, ma'am. My father, he's my role model. He's my everything actually.
Your, how sweet of you, Sanjana. Your friend. Really. That's the very nice. Okay. So how do you support? Do you support your father as he's your best friend? Do you support him whenever he's feeling low, whenever he's not happy? Do you talk to him and do you support him, Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am. We usually talk rather than talking as a family. Talk. We talk. I talk with my father. I talk with my mother. It's like being alone and talking with the person. Uh, at times if he is feeling some
Okay,
unsteady or
okay.
like, I would like to go and talk to him and like to care for him, ma'am.
Beautiful. And you have a sibling at home. You have your lovely sister at home, isn't it? So, do you fight with each other?
Yes, ma'am.
Do
All
you fight with your
sisters do.
sister, Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am. I fight with my sister.
You fight with your sister. Okay. What is, even though you fight with your sister, I know we all, brothers, sisters, we fight. It happens in all the families. What is that you learn from your sister? How does your sister support you? One value that you learn from your sister?
Yes, ma'am. How much ever she fights with
Is there
me.
anything you learn from your sister, Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am. How much ever she fights with me, she cares that much. Actually, she doesn't. I think she doesn't know to uh, avoid express her feelings. But she always fight with me, always be angry. She gives an out expression like that. But whenever it is a help for me, like suppose I would want to eat my favorite food and she might be having it. She wouldn't give straightly to me. She would give it to my mother and give it to me. So which that's the value, ma'am. Even if you're
Oh,
angry,
so nice.
you should do.
Yeah, that's so beautiful. That's so nice of your sister. Okay, that she doesn't know how to express it, but she is very caring. Actually, she is very caring. That's very nice. And you talk to her. Okay, good, good. Okay, the next question is, Sanjana, if you wish to bring three changes in Munnar, what would that three changes be?
Yes, many of them must have heard the news about Rajamalai. So it's about the climatic issues. We can't do anything to that. So first would be the building of proper houses. If it
Okay,
can be done by the authority, I would first request them for proper built houses everywhere.
okay, very good. Second,
Then second, at this corona time, uh, uh, now many are not able to do their jobs at house, and children are not able to attend their online classes. And like how was mine?
yeah,
So network connection will be the second one.
okay. Third,
Third one, in Munnar we have like a group of places of like like a district. We have estates here. So like estate meeting up together to discuss their issues, and with the higher authority they could discuss all. That would be, ma'am. They should actually report to them what are the problems, and they also should know what are the problems there.
okay, beautiful, Sanjana. At this young age, this question you have answered so aptly and so nicely. You have answered it. Hats off to you. The three things, exact issues you have taken about Munnar. Exactly three issues. Building of houses, proper houses. There are so many, due to the bad weather, they lost their houses, and like lands due to landslides. And so houses for them. The second one you said is, what was your second issue? It was regard
Network
to
connection.
network issues. Yeah, Munnar has too much of network issues. You have faced it. And I heard that in Munnar, it's not only in Munnar, in all hilly regions, they don't have a network. So these children, those who are having online classes, and even the teachers, I heard that teachers go up, leave their houses. They are not able to take class from home. So they go and sit under a tree somewhere where there is a network. So they leave their house, they walk 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, they walk down, they sit under a tree, and from there the teachers are taking classes. And even children are leaving their houses, going and sitting somewhere else and attending. So that's a very big issue in hilly regions, and Sanjana has put it forward so beautifully. She has done. And third one is the real, those who are working in real this estates. There are a lot of tea estates, they call tea plantations, plantation workers. So she wishes to address all the issues of this plantation workers. You all have to be amazed at this young girl, Sanjana. She has just entered her teens, stepped into her teens, and in this teens, she has so much of clarity about what issues Munnar is facing, and she would like to bring about the changes. I wish we, all of them, give these young ones an opportunity to bring about the changes by electing them. You all should get into politics, Sanjana.
Yes, I'm sure.
Politics is not a bad field. Most of the teenagers think that politics, oh God, no, nobody wants to enter into politics. But people with good thoughts should always enter and create a revolution, bring about a revolution. That's beautiful, Sanjana. Sanjana, what's your message now to your teenage friends?
Yes, ma'am, I would like to divide the message into for parents and for teenagers.
Okay, tell me.
Yeah, from first, I've been thinking about teen suicide. Teen
Okay, teen
suicide is,
suicides. Yes, you told me that you want to talk about teen suicides. Why this topic you have chosen, Sanjana? Teen suicides. Why is that you have chosen this topic?
yes, ma'am. Once I came across this news that in 40 seconds, just in a 40 seconds, there is a teen committing suicide all around the world. That would
Yes.
be 8 lakh almost around. That really touched my heart, and for nothing they have done, why should they sacrifice themselves? That's because I wanted to talk this topic, ma'am.
Yeah, please speak, Sanjana.
Yes, ma'am. Now the teens are feeling that they want to die because that they might have many things. Some of the reasons are that peer pressure, divorce of parents, they just divide themselves and they go they avoid themselves and go. That would be a reason. There are many teenagers dying just because of that. Then cyberbullying is faced by many of them now also. And in India, I would like to note that in India 1 lakh persons have died just of this teen suicide. And here, yes, during this lockdown time also there has been 300 deaths in teen suicide. Just to look more into the news that I can see, I could just note this one point, nothing else. That that really made me sad, ma'am. Then the
Yes, true.
message is that parents, please just go and talk with your children like how my parents does. Talk with them, care for them, love for them. If you're not doing this for them, then it's for whom? So you just talk with them, love with them. So you get this back and not anything else. If you're doing this, that they'll be so happy. They will just feel like they're having a person to care for them and support at them at the times they need.
Yeah,
And
beautiful.
and they will be thinking that there is a person behind me. Even if I do a wrong, they can correct me and do with me. They'll be thinking that their world is just within them. So they will just step out of their world and come out and see what is it. So parents, please do this. Or else if you're not doing this, you would face a great danger, that is by that if you're rude to them and if you're using them like a play toy by giving more advices and orders, they will have no other options than suicide, because teens are thinking just like that. Then my
Yeah.
message to the teens is that once I have read a story in that story in which I had I got a sentence which said the desire to commit suicide is a curse. You know, it's a curse, then why should we do it?
Yes. Very true.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so please don't. A teen watching this should never die. So I'd like to give guarantee to ma'am that no one will die watching this video.
So sweet of you, Sanjana. Such a thoughtful message that was to our viewers over there. And also to the parents, like you have given a good message. And I request all the parents, give the whatever might go wrong, whatever big mistakes, ask them, tell them that whatever big mistakes you make, please come back to me and tell me. That's all. The child should have the confidence that whatever mistake I make, however big that mistake is, if I tell my mother or I tell my father, they will, of course, they'll be disappointed, but they will forgive me. So always keep telling your teenagers, whatever big mistake, whatever happens, I am there for you. First thing you need to do is confide in me. So once this message is clear to your teenager, to your daughter, or to your son, that no matter what happen, whatever happens in your life, first thing that you have to do is talk to me. If the child is confident that if I can tell this to my, share this with my mother, I can share this to my father, then there'll be no suicides at all. Everything will all. Why do they commit suicide? Fear and insecurity. To whom am I going to speak this? What will they? And fear of getting judged. So don't be judgmental also. Just if something goes wrong, listen, find out a solution, and then forget it. Don't keep bringing up the same topic again and again. So really a great message, Sanjana. Though you are such a small girl, studying in 8th standard, just a teenager, just stepped into your teens, but your thoughts were so like, so special and thought provoking. Thank you so much, Sanjana. I
Thank you.
enjoyed conversing with you, and at last we made it. We defeated the network,
Yes, ma'am.
right? In spite of all network issues, we both fought it. Somehow, I told you, Sanjana, somehow we'll make it next week. Are you happy, Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am. I'm really happy, and I would like to thank Seena ma'am, Shalini ma'am, School Authority, and
Yes.
ACE Academy, and all the helping hands behind me for giving this opportunity to me and leave me take it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sanjana. I loved interacting with you, and say hello to your parents, convey my regards to them.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
and tell them, and they should feel very proud of you, and we'll pray that your father gets well soon. Okay, keep praying always. Okay, so thank you
Okay,
very
ma'am.
much, viewers, for being with us. Stay happy, stay safe, and stay positive till we meet another teenager tomorrow. He is Mr. Prakash, and he's all the way, he'll be on the show from Bangalore. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow again. Thank you. Good night. Good night, Sanjana.